Much for joining us on the telecast. Moving on. Security has now been enhanced in Kishtwar region of Jammu and Kashmir, where Indian Army neutralized 3 Pakistani terrorists. One of the Indian Army Jawan was also martyred in Keri Batal sector along the line of control, where the search operations are still ongoing after the Indian Army's major infiltration attempt in Kishtwar. Meanwhile, my colleague Ajay Jandal has filed a ground report from Keri Batal area. Let's have a look at that.
NewsX has reached ground zero here in the Battal village of Planwala sector, where heavy firing was going on last late night. This is the area where security forces, Indian Army Jawans, they have seen some suspicious movement, and immediately after they observed that some suspicious movement is taking place, they immediately sounded alert. And this is the same area, adjoining area, where few months back 3 terrorists was gunned down by the security forces. Now we'll try to show you the visuals of the village as well. Those who are basically the civilians, those who are hiding over here, they basically they spend their night here in this village, and we'll try to speak to the people as well, because they are the real people, those who know that what exactly has happened last late night. ये बताइए कि कितना दहशत भरा समय था, रात को हुआ क्या था, कितने बजे की घटना है?
11 बजे फायर हुआ था। दहशत तो बहुत, हम बीडीसी मेंबर हैं, हम पूरे रात गश्त करते हैं इधर।
अच्छा, तो जब ये हुई फायरिंग तो आप लोग कहाँ थे, फिर क्या किया? घरों के भीतर ही छुपना पड़ता है, जो बच्चे होते हैं, महिलाएं होती हैं?
हाँ, उन्हें तो घरों के बीच ही छुपना पड़ता है। बाकी बीडीसी मेंबर जो जहाँ जहाँ हमारा टारगेट, जहाँ जहाँ हमें बांटा गया वहीं चले जाते हैं।
तो रात को आप भी गश्त करते रहे?
हाँ, गश्त करते रहते
क्या
हैं।
होता क्या है जब ये फायरिंग होती है, तो आप लोगों को क्यों गश्त करनी पड़ती है?
हमें क्या राइफल दिया गया है, गाँव की सुरक्षा के लिए दिया गया, तो गाँव की सुरक्षा करेंगे।
कुछ और लोगों से बात करेंगे। आप भी यहीं रहते हैं?
हाँ से रिप्लाई रहता।
तो रात को जब फायरिंग हुई तो लोगों में दहशत तो होती होगी उस वक्त?
हो तो होती है। हाँ,
तो मतलब कितना डर होता है जब ये फायरिंग होती है कि गांव में भी अगर गिरे तो?
डरता होता ही है सर, गोले से डरता ही है हर आदमी।
यहाँ पहले भी एक बार एनकाउंटर भी हुआ था थोड़े दिन पहले।
हाँ, चांद मंदिर में हुआ था।
So you can see that they are saying basically definitely it's a matter of concern. Whenever any firing takes place, then they went cautious, because they know that in the past as well, number of times Pakistan have violated ceasefire and tried to target the civilians in the area as well. So that's why people, those who are living in this area, they are scared and they are worried. Now the students, those who lives over here, they are once again moving to the normalcy and they are moving to the schools, but definitely it's a matter of concern. We'll try to speak to some other people as well, that how tough it was for them to stay here on the line of fire over here. Let's speak to the civilians over here. कितने बजे ये रात को फायरिंग शुरू हुई थी?
रात को कोई 11 बजे करीब हुआ।
अच्छा,
हाँ, 11 मारे।
बहुत फायरिंग हुई?
हाँ, बहुत फायरिंग हुई, उनका भी हुआ, इधर से भी हुआ।
क्या उसके बाद दहशत तो होती है गांव में, डर तो लगता होगा?
हाँ, डर तो लगता ही है, कभी कहीं इधर ना आ जाए, जैसे पीछे पहले इधर आए थे आसन मंदिर में। हाँ, डर तो लगता ही है।
तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं फिर? बंकर हैं यहाँ छुपने के लिए अंदर?
हाँ, बंकर भी हैं, नहीं तो जिसके पास बंकर नहीं है वो थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो जाते हैं, आगे पीछे निकल जाते हैं।
So you can see that they are saying then definitely it's a matter of concern, and it was a scary atmosphere during the night when they have observed this that firing has started. So they also says that something concrete is required so that this firing spell has to be permanently ended. They want some heavy retaliation from the Indian side. In this fresh firing which took place last late night, one of our brave soldiers, he attained martyrdom while fighting with the group of terrorists, those who were trying to infiltrate to this side. And Pakistan always give cover fire to these terrorists so that they can infiltrate to this side. With Bandini Ajay Jandal, NewsX. But
We'll continue to track further developments coming in, but that's a wrap for the bulletin. We'll slip into a short break.